I can discuss where corporate cards fit in. I like the diagram that we have up here explains our mission and our vision between the two diagrams that we saw, the one with all of the mess that looks what a current financial technology management looks like in the construction space right now. It looks something like this that you have here. And as Control Core matures and as we continue to release more of our product, the solution will look like the next piece of the diagram here, where all financial management, including document management and project financials, will be housed in Control Core. We couldn't release it all at once, so we decided to release it in phases. We contemplated what was going to be the most unique solution that solves a pain point, albeit a smaller one. And a corporate card and expense management solution was what we decided would be the most effective. And so that corporate card and expense management solution really is built for the construction space. There are other industry agnostic solutions that have tried to penetrate into the market, but are missing critical workflows around transaction management that are specific to the construction space. So, what's important to an agnostic solution is being as applicable to as many different business models as possible. And so when you start looking at our competitors, their models or their technology all follows a department oriented workflow, which just means that transactions and cards all roll up under a specific department and follow a specific program based on that department. Control Core, we allowed our departments and our cards and transactions to remain independent of one another so that a single cards transactions can be applied to multiple projects or be applied to more than just one project. So if a superintendent is working two different jobs, he doesn't have to go online and manually switch which project he needs to go purchase for before he goes and buys something. Instead, he can just go make his purchase for multiple projects, have multiple transactions, code each one of those transactions to those separate projects. And then once that piece is taken care of, the workflow of that transaction follows the workflow of that project that has been preset. So the project manager will have the opportunity to review that transaction detail that was coded by the superintendent, take a look at the receipts, look at the job, at the cost code that was used, confirm that it is a cost code that is on his budget and is accurate to what was bought, and be able to apply it there and have it feed down into his managerial budget. So this is the difference in terms of like us versus agnostic solutions. And you'll continue to see as we release our next set of features, it really boils down to making sure that our software is project oriented and follows project workflows in order for the most critical stakeholders of that project to see and know what financial movement is happening in their space.